Hello everyone, today in this video we will knit this border pattern which you can use in a sweater, sleeves, cardigan, gents sweater, ladies sweater. So this is so easy to make. It is a multiple of 3 loops. So this is the front side of the pattern and this one is the back side of the pattern, which is also looks good. See. So let's begin. For this pattern we will take multiple of 3 loops. See, this way I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. For the demonstration, I have taken 12 loops. So for the first row, right side, row 1. See, I am slipping this slip 1, bring the yarn in front, purl 1 like this. Now bring the yarn in back, knit 2 through the back loop of the loop. See, like this. This is the back loop. And put the yarn like this. 1, again like this. 2, knit 2 through the back loop. So again bring the yarn in front, purl 1, bring the yarn in back, knit 2 through the back loop like this. So this will be your repeat pattern. So slip 1 and your repeat pattern will start from here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. So we will knit like this only. Again, see, purl 1 and knit 2 through the back loop like this. Again, bring the yarn in front. In the last, you will have 2 loops. So purl 1, bring the yarn in back and knit the edge stitch. This is the last stitch of the pattern like this. So this is the first row of the pattern. Now we are in wrong side or row number 2. See, slip 1, bring the yarn in back and here you can see the 1 knit stitch. So we will knit this through the back loop. Like this. This is the back loop. So knit 1 through the back loop, bring the yarn in front, knit 2 from the front loop like this. So this is the repeat pattern in row 2. Slip 1 and repeat pattern will start from here. Knit 1 through the back loop and purl 2 through the front loop. So again here you can see the next repeat. So knit 1 through the back loop. Bring the yarn in front, purl 2 like this. Bring the yarn in back. Again next repeat, knit this. So we will knit through the back loop. Bring the yarn in front, knit 2, purl 2. Bring the yarn in back and in the last you will have 2 stitches. For the first one, this is the knit stitch, you will knit through the back loop like this and bring the yarn in front and purl the last stitch. So this is your 2 row repeat pattern and again if you will repeat it, so you will get this pattern like this. So it's very easy to knit and it looks so fantastic. So if you like this pattern, please like the video and subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel and press the bell icon so you will get notification and every time whenever I will upload the video. So this is the beautiful pattern. Please make it and share your comments. Thank you.